Time for Medical Monday. Dr. Jacob Kozisek is here with BayCare Clinic. We are talking about protecting your eyes from the sun, something that absolutely must be done. First of all, let's talk about what happens if you don't protect your eyes.
Well, it's kind of like if you don't wear sunscreen, you get a sunburn. Well, your eyes can get sunburned also.
Okay. What types of things happen? Is there permanent damage?
Usually it's not permanent damage, but it can be painful. It can make your vision blurry for several hours, maybe even a couple days.
Could it lead to something worse?
I guess if it got too far along, then potentially scarring, which would then be more permanent vision loss.
And especially if you're doing it a lot over time and not protecting them at all.
Correct.
Okay, wonderful. And then how can we tell if our eyes have been sunburned?
You're going to feel it, and it may not be instant. It's going to happen over several hours. It might be later that day that you start to notice it, but your eyes might feel burny and gritty and like there's sand in them. They might feel like a scratches on your eye. You might notice the blurriness in the vision, maybe some redness to the eyes.
And this happens just from being out in the sun? I mean, you don't have to be like laying out on the beach or anything like that, right?
No, you could just be out in the sun. Probably more common if you're in the water or near the water where the sun's going to reflect
that makes
off.
sense. Yeah.
And then you're going to get more of that UV ray hitting your eye.
What do we have to do? We're in the middle of a heat wave this week, so people are going to be outside enjoying that.
Yeah.
What do we do?
Wear your sunglasses, and pretty much any sunglasses is going to protect you. Almost everything that's sold in our country anyway is going to be 100% UVA, UVB protective. So you're going to get that protection no matter what level of sunglasses you wear. Polarized lenses might be also another thing to look for, and they'll help cut the glare and reflections that's coming off the road or the water.
Okay, and then even people with contacts, should you be wearing sunglasses too?
Yes. Now some contacts say that they're UV protective, but it's not going to protect you like a sunglass. So you should be wearing your sunglasses over the contacts.
Those. What about children? It's so hard for them to keep their sunglasses on. You know, they want to take them off. They're in the water, they fall off. What do you do for kids to make sure that their eyes are not getting burned?
Trying to make them wear the sunglasses. And it's a never-ending battle, and if they take them off, you can hand them back, try and put them back on, and that constant reminding usually helps them start to like to wear them. And with time, they'll just accept it, and most of the time start asking for their sunglasses.
That's a good idea, and buy the really cool ones, right?
Right.
And that'll make them want to. Should we be limiting our time outside, do you think?
I don't think you necessarily have to limit your time, but wearing the protection, whether sunglasses, a hat, getting the shade, just making sure that you're protected.
And when you feel that, go back inside.
Exactly.
All right, wonderful. Thanks so much for being with us, Doc. For more information about this Medical Monday segment and our eye protection, just visit our website and click on the Wisconsin Tonight tab.